Welcome to our 7-herb video on the best herbs for nerve injury. When nerves in the body are damaged or compromised, it can lead to neuropathy or nerve damage, which frequently manifests as symptoms like pain, numbness, and weakening in the muscles. This illness can result from a number of conditions, such as autoimmune illnesses, diabetes, and physical trauma. Before we examine these effective natural remedies, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to be the first to know when our newest video is released. Thankfully, some herbs have been shown to support nerve health and ease these discomforts. Now let's begin with number 7 on our countdown, like peripheral neuropathy, where pain and inflammation are common symptoms, as it helps to reduce discomfort and encourage relaxation in affected areas. Additionally, the mild sedative properties of chamomile help enhance the quality of sleep, which is frequently affected in those with nerve pain. The body's healing processes, including nerve restoration, depend on getting enough sleep. Regularly consuming chamomile tea or its components can improve overall well-being by lowering pain thresholds and promoting healthier sleep patterns. The medicinal properties of chamomile assist your body's natural healing processes in addition to relieving neuropathic pain. Arriving at position 6 on our ranking, not only is peppermint a common ingredient in Christmas confections and breath fresheners, but it's also an effective herbal treatment for nerve pain. Menthol-rich peppermint oil is especially useful topically, where it provides a cooling feeling that can greatly reduce tingling and burning. Feelings connected to neuropathy. In addition to its cooling effects, peppermint oil has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce swelling and pain in affected areas. This can be especially helpful in managing conditions that involve chronic pain, such as diabetic neuropathy and other forms of nerve damage where inflammation is a key aggravator. The primary active component of peppermint oil, menthol, acts via stimulating the skin's cold-sensitive TRPM8 receptors. This action essentially cools the area to which the oil is applied and can distract from the pain by providing a soothing sensation that temporarily overrides discomfort signals being sent to the brain. The 5th tip is to adequately dilute peppermint oil with a carrier oil to prevent skin irritation. Applying peppermint oil in massages or baths can increase its effectiveness because it enters the skin and reaches the damaged nerves to bring comfort. In addition to being a vital component of many culinary delights, ginger is also a powerful anti-inflammatory root that has been used medicinally for centuries. Because of its anti-inflammatory qualities, ginger is a great option for people with neuropathic pain brought on by nerve damage. Ginger possesses active chemicals called gingerols and shogols, which have demonstrated noteworthy anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These substances function by preventing the cellular synthesis of pro-inflammatory cytokines and chemokines, which can aid in the reduction of pain and swelling all over the body. Ginger has analgesic properties similar to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, but without the typical side effects associated with these medications. This makes ginger a safer alternative for long-term use, especially for those dealing with chronic pain conditions that affect the nerves like diabetic neuropathy. Ginger is particularly effective in treating inflammatory conditions like arthritis and in the context of neuropathy by reducing the inflammation around damaged nerves. For more focused relief, you can incorporate ginger into your diet by simply adding it to your meals or tea smoothies. There are pills that include ginger extract and topical gels that can be applied directly to painful areas. Regular use of ginger, either internally or topically, can help reduce the symptoms of nerve injury and enhance nerve function in general. Placed 4th on our list. Ayurvedic medicine holds ashwagandha in high regard for its amazing adaptogenic qualities. Adaptogens are organic compounds that support the body's ability to adjust to stress and restore normalcy to internal functions. Ashwagandha is unique in that it can help the body become more resilient to mental and physical stress, which is especially helpful for people with nerve damage. Beyond its ability to reduce stress, Ashwagandha supports the regeneration of nerve cells, which is essential in the treatment of neuropathic conditions. It does this by assisting in the regeneration of the axons and dendrites of nerve cells, which are vital to the nervous system's operation, improving communication between nerve cells and assisting in the restoration of their normal function following damage. This regenerative effect not only improves overall neurological health, but also lessens the symptoms of nerve damage, such as pain and numbness. Furthermore, ashwagandha is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which are important in its capacity to lessen pain brought on by nerve damage. By lowering inflammation surrounding damaged nerves, ashwagandha can improve mobility and lessen discomfort, making daily tasks easier for those who suffer from neuropathy. Ashwagandha supplements are generally accessible as tinctures or capsule powders. Regular application of this herb can greatly aid in nerve repair and general well-being, making it an invaluable supplement to a nerve care routine. Taking third place on our ranking an ancient herb with a long history of usage in traditional Chinese medicine, ginkgo biloba is most known for its capacity to improve circulation. Anyone with nerve damage needs this circulatory boost because it makes it easier for oxygen and nutrients to reach the nerve cells, which are essential for their health and healing. The recovery of damaged nerves can be greatly accelerated by the increased blood flow that ginkgo biloba supplements achieve. This is especially helpful for conditions like neuropathy, where poor circulation can exacerbate symptoms and slow healing, as well as for diabetic patients who frequently experience complications related to nerve damage and circulatory problems. Because it improves blood flow and lowers the chance of more nerve injury, ginkgo biloba can be particularly beneficial in easing these symptoms. Additionally, ginkgo biloba is well known for its neuroprotective qualities. Its strong antioxidants preserve neurons and other cells from oxidative damage, which is a typical problem in neuropathic diseases. In addition to promoting nerve health, ginkgo biloba gradually enhances neural function. Supplements containing ginkgo biloba come in a variety of formats, including liquid extracts, pills, and capsules. Regular use of this plant helps improve circulation when done so under a doctor's supervision. It ranks second on our list because it is a top choice for people who want to naturally maintain their nerve health and protect nerve cells while also hastening the recovery of nerve damage. In addition to being a well-liked herbal depression cure, Street John's wort is also highly prized for its neuroprotective qualities. This herb has a long history of use in herbal therapy to treat a variety of nervous system illnesses. Its advantages also extend to the health of nerves, particularly in the treatment of neuropathic pain, which may be extremely debilitating. Because it contains active compounds like hypericin and hyperforin, which are thought to support nerve tissue growth and health, Street John's wort works by promoting nerve regeneration. These compounds also help stimulate the repair of damaged nerve cells and enhance their function, making Street John's wort a potent ally against neuropathy. Moreover, as a result of its anti-inflammatory qualities and capacity to modify neurotransmitter activity, particularly dopamine and serotonin, which are important in pain perception by regulating their levels, Street John's wort is especially well known for its effectiveness in treating neuropathic pain. Street John's wort enhances overall neurological comfort and lessens pain perception. Street John's wort can be consumed as teas, tinctures, or capsules, but before beginning any new treatment, it's crucial to speak with a healthcare professional because Street John's wort can interact with a number of medications and may not be appropriate for everyone. Taking the first place in our ranking, turmeric is a wonderful herb in the field of medical herbs, especially for treating inflammation and nerve pain. It is also a mainstay in culinary creations. Curcumin, a substance that has drawn a lot of interest for its strong anti-inflammatory and analgesic qualities, is the secret component in turmeric. Curcumin acts by blocking important proteins and enzymes that spread inflammation throughout the body. This activity is critical because it reduces inflammation, which can worsen nerve pain and cause more damage to nerves in disorders like neuropathy. Curcumin provides much-needed respite by assisting with the unpleasant symptoms linked with nerve degeneration. Furthermore, it has been demonstrated that curcumin increases the body's natural antioxidant capacity. This means that in addition to reducing inflammation, curcumin also aids in cellular damage repair, which includes the nervous system. Its antioxidant action shields nerve cells from oxidative stress and fosters a better environment for nerve regeneration and function. Including turmeric in your diet can be as easy as adding it as a spice to your food, drinking it in tea, or taking capsule supplements for a more concentrated dose if you have nerve damage. Here is our ranking of the best 7 herbs for nerve damage. Regular. Use of turmeric can greatly improve nerve function and reduce pain, making it a top recommendation for natural nerve health support. If you're looking for natural therapies to promote nerve health, think about including one or more of them into your routine. Keep in mind that it's vital to speak with a healthcare provider before beginning any new treatment program. Each herb has specific benefits. In conclusion, these 7 incredible herbs offer a natural and effective approach to preventing and managing nerve damage and neuropathy, incorporating chamomile, turmeric, peppermint, ginger, ginkgo biloba, ashwagandha, street John's wort into your daily routine can significantly improve nerve health, reduce inflammation, and alleviate pain. Each of these herbs has unique properties that contribute to their overall effectiveness in supporting the nervous system, making them valuable additions to your wellness arsenal. Kindly click on the below links provided in the description to check out the natural herbs. As you explore the benefits of these herbs, remember that consistency is key. Regular use, combined with a healthy lifestyle, can lead to noticeable improvements in your nerve function and overall well-being. Before beginning any new supplement regimen, it's always advisable to speak with a healthcare provider, particularly if you have any underlying medical concerns or are currently taking any other medications. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family who might benefit from these natural remedies. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Health Angel Solutions, for more insightful content on health and wellness. Your support helps us continue to bring you the latest and most valuable information to enhance your health journey. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on natural health solutions, wellness tips, and much more. Together, let's take a step towards a healthier, happier life with the power of nature's remedies. Till we meet again, stay well and cautious.